Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today we have to complete our lesson, which is lesson 3 relative positions of two lines in the plane. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's correct together our homework, which is exercise number 4, page 35. In exercise number 4, we have a figure. Does the coded information on the adjacent figure help to affirm that FE is parallel to GD? Look at FE. It is parallel to GD? Yes, of course, they are never meet. But why? Excellent, they are perpendicular to the same line B, C. How can we write it? Like this, FE perpendicular to BC. GD is perpendicular to BC, so GD and FE are parallel. GF parallel to BC? Look at GF. GF is parallel to BC? Yes, of course, but why? Because they are perpendicular to the same line FE. Excellent. How can we write it? GF perpendicular to FE, BC perpendicular to the same line FE, so GF parallel to BC. Okay? Draw the line D parallel to the line BC passing through A. We have to draw passing through the point A a line parallel to BC. How? By using the set square. Excellent. We have to put the set square in front of the line BC. I will draw a perpendicular line from the point A to the line BC like this. Then I will turn the set square to the point A to make a line parallel to BC. So I will elongate it like this. This is the line D. Now the question is, do we have GD perpendicular to D? Look at GD. It is perpendicular to D. Yes or no? Yes, of course, but why? We have to search two parallel lines and one perpendicular line to the same line, okay? GD perpendicular to BC, D parallel to BC, right? We draw it parallel to BC, so GD is perpendicular to D. How can we write it? Look, GD perpendicular to BC and D parallel to BC, to the same line BC, right? It is perpendicular to BC and parallel to BC. So what is the relation between GD and D? They are perpendicular. Perpendicular and parallel give us perpendicular. Great. Let's continue the second one. FE perpendicular to D. FE perpendicular to D. The same. BC parallel to D. FE perpendicular to BC. So FE is perpendicular also to D. We write it like this. FE perpendicular to BC. D parallel to BC. So FE is perpendicular also to D. GF parallel to D. GF is parallel to D. Yes, of course. Why? Because GF is parallel to what? BC. Excellent. And D is parallel also to BC. So GF is parallel to D. That's it. Now I will explain for you your homework exercises number 6 and 7, page 36. Find the point C of D1. It is on the line D1. And the point E of D2, so that the point ABC and the point ABE are collinear. Then we have to elongate the line AB to cut the first side, the first line D1 and the second line D2. The point of intersection of AB with D1, I call it C, and with D2, I will write it E. Okay? Draw a semiline AX. Place a point B on this semiline. We have to draw a semiline. Start with the point A and without ending. Then I will put on it a point B. Then a point C on the semiline BX. Okay? And on the semiline BX, starting from the point B, I will put a point C. Okay? The same for the part 2 on the semiline CX. place a point D so that the segments A, B, and CD are equal. We have the distance from A to B equal the distance from C to D. We have to put the point D. Okay? Using the compass, verify that AC equal BD. You have to use the compass. I will open it as AC. Then I will check it is equal to BD. If yes, we say yes, they are equal. Okay? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.